Hello from Wood Finishes Direct. Now, if you want to watch the full how-to video on painting this decking, just click the button in the top right. But for now, here's a quick look back at how we prepped and painted this garden decking. First step, give the area a really good sweep, making sure to get in between the planks. A gentle power wash is fine, but don't go too heavy. It can raise the wood fibres. Let it dry for at least 2 days, then sand down to remove any old flaking coatings. Next, apply 2 coats of a quality wood preserver. Then it's time for the main event, the paint. Work along 2 to 3 planks at a time, apply at least 2 coats and keep the gap between the coats to 4 to 6 hours maximum, no more. Yeah, so here's how it looked back then. And here is how it looks now, 1 year on. Honestly, I'm impressed. This decking's had regular family use all year round and still looks fantastic. No flaking, no fading, no sun damage. Sure, it's only been a year, but it shows that with the right prep and application, your decking can look great for many years to come. If you need any further help and advice, give the wood care experts a call on 01303 477 555.